In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cosmetic scene, bottle, pump, tube, in Adobe Dimension. We'll start from a blank canvas and finish with a polished, studio-quality render you can use for portfolios, mock-ups, or marketing. Begin by launching Adobe Dimension on your desktop and opening a new document. A fresh scene gives you a neutral starting point and ensures your models, materials, and lighting are easy to control without legacy settings getting in the way. Head to the Starter Assets panel and bring in the core shapes. You'll find ready-made forms like a bottle and a tube that are perfect for cosmetic packaging. If you need a pump and don't see a dedicated model, build one by combining simple primitives. Use a small cylinder for the collar and a cube with rounded edges for the dispenser head. Keep proportions believable by matching the pump scale to the bottleneck. If you need very specific geometry, plan to model those details in a dedicated 3D tool like Blender and then import them. Arrange your scene using the Move, Scale, and Rotate tools on the left. Take a moment to establish a clean composition. Think of it like setting up a tabletop shot. Use the Align options at the top to center objects and distribute them evenly, so spacing feels intentional and consistent. Tiny nudges can make the lineup look premium. Next, switch the Starter Assets panel to the Materials tab and drag materials onto each object. For the bottle, glass or plastic works well depending on the product story you want to tell. Apply plastic or metal to the pump and tube to suggest durable hardware or soft-touch packaging. In the Properties panel, fine-tune attributes like roughness and opacity to control reflections and transparency. Slightly softer reflections can feel more realistic for beauty products. Create your label artwork in Illustrator or Photoshop and export it as a PNG with a transparent background. High-resolution files help the text and logos stay crisp. Back in Dimension, select the model and drag your image onto it to apply it as a decal. Use the Properties panel to position, scale, and rotate the decal so it sits flat, reads clearly, and doesn't stretch around tight curves. Great product shots rely on good lighting. Choose between environment light for an overall ambient look and directional lights for stronger highlights and shadow shaping. In Properties, adjust color, intensity, and light shape. Remember, larger light sources create softer, more flattering shadows, ideal for cosmetics. Frame your shot with the camera controls and save helpful viewpoints by clicking the plus icon in the camera panel to create bookmarks. When you're ready, switch to the Render tab. Pick a quality setting. High delivers the cleanest results. Choose your output format like PNG and hit Render. Select a save location, and you're done.